What's up, guys? Today we're gonna try my flood escape in my telescope. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna speedrun this. Try again. Sorry, guys. Hey, where is this? Oh, God. Go. Game ID up top, just to let you know. You can find the game ID down in the picture, so you can follow my future updates, because there's gonna be a lot of updates there. I'm just on the dive, also, shout out to guys, that is the end of the